Hello, I'm Jamie Machik, Education Consultant for the Wisconsin Valley Library Service. For this Digital Byte, I will cover 13 tips for attending Library Legislative Day. First of all, thank you for your interest in WLA's Library Legislative Day. Here are some tips before you attend. Identify one or two stories illustrating a memorable difference that your library made to the people in your community that you share with legislators. How does your public library system, like WVLS, support and enable you to better serve your community? Visit the legislative website for senators and assembly and click on the details to learn more about the legislators you are going to see. Websites contain biographical information, current committees, and more. If you are a member of WVLS, mark your calendar to attend the briefing session online scheduled for 1 to 2 p.m. on Friday, February 3rd. Watch the WLA Legislative Day webpage for resources and handouts as they become available. Remember that 2023 is a state budget producing year, so talking points promoting state library aid will be shared at the WVLS briefing and handouts posted to the website and that morning. Here are some tips once the day has arrived. A final briefing is part of the Library Legislative Day morning program of the day's events. Travel light to your appointments and wear comfortable footwear. There are not places to sit or put personal items once you are inside the Capitol. Be well rested and stay hydrated. It's a long day. Appointments might be as brief as 15 to 20 minutes. Each group will be assigned a designated leader. Stay on topic and be mindful of everyone's need to speak without monopolizing time. Remember, you are engaging in conversation with the legislator or their staff rather than only giving information. Asking about their own library experiences will further the experience and the conversation. If you are intimidated before your appointment, remember that legislators and their aides are people. While your visit with them may be your first, keep in mind that the visit could also be their first with you. Enjoy the experience. Take in the beauty of the Capitol building and advocating with colleagues. Know that these visits matter and make a difference. After the day is finished, don't forget to send a post-meeting thank you. Once again, thank you for all you do to support Wisconsin's libraries and systems. We look forward to seeing you in Madison.